Hi everyone, welcome to RoadRide, go-to place for the latest in cars and everything on wheels. Today, we are diving into one of Russia's most rugged and iconic SUVs, the all-new 2025 UAZ Patriot Next. Built with durability, off-road performance, and Russian strength in mind, the Patriot Next is more than just a refresh, it's a leap forward for the legendary UAZ brand. Let's start with a little background. The UAZ Patriot first appeared back in 2005, replacing the UAZ 3162. It quickly became a favorite among drivers looking for a reliable off-roader that could handle Russia's harsh terrains. Whether it was crossing Siberia or navigating muddy fields, the original Patriot earned its name for toughness. Over the years, it went through several upgrades, including better interiors, improved engines, and more safety features. But in 2025, UAZ decided it was time for a true next-generation model, and here it is, the UAZ Patriot Next. The 2025 Patriot Next rides on an updated platform designed to handle both urban driving and serious off-road challenges. Its exterior has been completely redesigned with a more aggressive front grille, full LED headlights, larger fenders, and a boxier, more muscular stance. UAZ kept the utilitarian charm but gave it a modern twist that appeals to both adventure seekers and family drivers. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.7-liter turbocharged petrol engine producing around 170 horsepower, paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. There's also talk of a diesel option and even a hybrid version in the near future, aimed at making this SUV more fuel efficient without compromising on torque and power. The 4-wheel drive system remains a core feature, offering high and low gearing modes for rough terrain, snow, mud, and sand. Inside the cabin, UAZ has finally stepped into the modern era. The dashboard features a large digital instrument cluster and a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Comfort has improved dramatically, with better sound insulation, climate control, heated seats, and even an optional sunroof. Rear seat space is generous, and the cargo area is big enough for all your camping gear or tools for a job site. Now let's talk pricing. The 2025 UAZ Patriot Next starts at around 2.2 million rubles in Russia, which is roughly 23,500 United States dollars, depending on exchange rates. For that price, you're getting a real off-roader with everyday comfort and reliability. It's an impressive value, especially compared to some Western or Asian SUV competitors that cost nearly double without the same off-road chops. Safety has also been upgraded significantly. The Patriot Next includes ABS, electronic stability control, hill start assist, multiple airbags, and an optional 360-degree camera system. It's clear that UAZ listened to driver feedback and modernized the vehicle not just for performance, but for safety and comfort too. Driving the Patriot Next is a totally different experience from the previous model. The suspension is more refined, making it more comfortable on asphalt, while still being able to handle rough trails, river crossing, and forest roads without breaking a sweat. The steering feels more responsive, and the upgraded brakes inspire confidence when navigating steep descents or tight corners. In short, the 2025 UAZ Patriot Next is more than just a Russian SUV, it's a statement. A symbol of resilience, adventure, and heritage, all wrapped up in a modern package. Whether you're a city driver, a country explorer, or someone who just wants a capable and affordable 4x4, the Patriot Next is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching RoadRide. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews, road tests, and real-world auto adventures. See you in the next one.